Eileen.
Reggie.
Today we're taking you on a tour of
Carcross, Yukon. No, I'm not in the Sahara or some other desert. I'm in the Yukon, the Carcross Desert, and they say it's the smallest in the world.
This phenomena was formed by an evaporated glacier and sand blown in from Bennett Lake. Guys, we're like filming over here.
Ah! Oh yes, back in 2016, Prince William visited this magnificent site. But I'm willing to bet he didn't do this.
Sand tobogganing! Reggie?
Coming. Oh God. When you're done playing in the sand, head over here approximately 2 kilometers. Yep, confirmed, 2 kilometers. And you'll find one of the cutest towns in the north, Carcross, like the desert.
Originally known as Caribou Crossing, the town was renamed in 1904 after the Carcross Tagish First Nation.
The area was originally a hunting camp. And get this, they've found artifacts over 4,500 years old.
But in recent years, the community has done a heck of a job of turning the downtown into a cute haven for tourists. Seriously?
Even with all this new growth, this is the oldest operating store in the Yukon, ever since 1909, all the way back to the gold rush. Right in front, they walked right in front.
This is the formerly mentioned Bennett Lake. It has a hell of a view and some Arctic cold waters.
Seriously, we're in the middle of shooting here. You know what? I got it. You know what I will do?
What the hell? You ruined the shot.
I ruined your shot.
Yeah, you did.
Hey guys, we're just trying to shoot something here.
Yeah?
You want something to shoot. Colby, come on, get him. Get him, Colby.
Shit. Okay.
She's a good girl.
Ooh, I really like her. Should we name her Carcross or Desert?
I think Carcross.
Oh, come on. Go see. Oh, she's going back to her owners, the littlest hobo. Oh.